Hello Lana, and welcome back on this YouTube channel. We've been looking at different part of speech, and as per now we are continuing uh, and almost done to look at types of nouns. So remember, we said nouns are they refer to names of people, places, things, or ideas. We've been looking at, if I may do a recap of types of nouns that we've just looked in the previous videos. We looked at, in the first part, we looked at a pair, that is proper and common nouns. Then in the second time we looked at compound and collective. Then the third time in the previous video we looked at abstract and concrete nouns. Today I want us to look at countable and uncountable nouns. So countable and uncountable nouns. So what are countable nouns? Countable nouns, these are types of nouns that can be counted, or can be used with a number. Okay, I can count this my fingers. Okay, so my fingers are countable because I can say 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers, 5 fingers. Okay, but what if I brought some rice here, or salt or sugar? Can we count sugar? The answer is no. So countable nouns, these are nouns that we can count, or we can know the exact number. Okay, then we have I have some examples here. I have car. Then I have a bike. I have cow. For example, let's speak of cars. Car, you can have 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, 1,000 cars, 1,000,000 cars. Okay, so we can count cars. What about I have 1 eye, 2 eyes. I have 1 eye, 2 eyes. Then bike, my grandfather had 3 bikes. My grandfather had 3 bikes. So it means that we can count the number of bikes. So bikes are countable nouns. Then cow, you can have 1 cow, 2 cows, 3 cows, 4 cows, 5 cows, 6 cows, 1,000,000 cows, 1,000 cows. So these are things that we can use with a number, and they are countable. Then let's look at uncountable. On the other hand, uncountable nouns, they are nouns that cannot, mark the word, cannot be counted. So we can't know the exact number of that thing. And that is why when you will come and speak of using a kg, for example, we can't count water, paper, salt, sugar. Okay, so I have given some examples there. We say they include substances like plastic, like wood, paper, etc. Then they also include liquids, like for example milk, oil, water, etc. Then abstract ideas. Abstract what? Abstract ideas like happiness, information. Okay, all those are uncountable nouns, so we can't count them. There is an NB here that countable nouns have singular and plural, and also can be used with numbers. So we can have singular, that is 1, and we can also have plural of countable nouns. For example, cars. Okay, Then we have our point number 2. Uncountable nouns exist only in one form and cannot be used with a number. You can't say I have 20 sugars. That is incorrect. We says I have 20 kgs of sugar. Okay? Yeah. Then lastly, I have an exercise for us to attend. Give 5 more examples of countable nouns. Number 2, give 10 uncountable nouns that we have in the surrounding. Okay, I have just given you salt, I have just given you sugar. Just go and add 10 more, and after that I know we will be able to differentiate. With that, we mark the end of our lesson today. Remember, I am Teacher Bundi and I have been here to look at the various types of nouns, and we've already looked at the 8 of them and the most examinable types of nouns. So with that, I have nothing else to tell you than to tell you a goodbye. And remember, if you've not subscribed to on this YouTube channel, please do so in order for more content. When I upload any content will come direct, and you shall be able to access it and have a greater and a better knowledge. Have a nice time. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.